buddy. Oh no, no. Oh my gosh, dude. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video here. Today is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. And just don't forget to always remember exactly why we have this extra day to the weekend. A big salute to all the men and women who fought for this country and fought for the freedom that we have today. Thank you from me and the Cuffaros. I hope you all had an amazing Memorial Day, and hopefully this video right here makes the day just that much better. This looks like a lot to take in, but it all makes sense in just a second. Without further ado, let's hop right on into today's video. You read the title and thumbnail. It's a crazy one. Hey, so let me explain. Blake, my boy, Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch on YouTube, he texted me this morning and said, do you want this pig? If not, the owner is going to shoot him tomorrow. Or do you know anyone who could take him by tomorrow? Blake texts me and says, you tell me, LOL. I said, yeah, I'll take him. Do I gotta go get him? Thank gosh, I didn't have to drive an hour and a half. I actually was delivered this pig. I ended up getting the number from the owner of the, well, it's actually the person who dropped him off was someone that worked at the farm or wherever this pig was. Bottom line is, out of nowhere, I received that text, and you know me. I'm a big pig guy, I love pigs. I have a 20, now 21 surrounding my house. I mean, quite literally surrounding my house. And I couldn't say no. I've been offered a lot of pigs, lots. And almost every day I'd say someone offered, maybe not every day, but a lot. And typically I have to turn them away because I don't have space, although I would like to take them all. But when things happen like this, for instance, this pig was going to get in the head, it's similar to Lady May's experience. This one over here coming straight at me right now, she was going to get as well. I know it's crazy to say, but people don't look at pigs the way, I mean, me and maybe some of you look at them. It's just meat, which I won't lie, pig tastes good. Don't get me wrong. But they have a lot of heart and they have a lot of personality. It's sad to see, but people don't look at them that way. So he was gonna get shot. So yeah, a year and whatever long ago when I got Lady May, I drove to Naples at like 3 in the morning to pick her up. She was going to get the exact same thing happen to her as this one. Now, whether that's just something they say in order to just get rid of it, you know, it could be that thing like, I'm gonna shoot it if no one comes and picks it up. Regardless, whether it was what was gonna happen or not, I had to do this. Now, do I need any more pigs? Absolutely not. Do I want any more pigs? It's a lot of money to take care of all these pigs. Thankfully, YouTube is here to fund that. Although I should start, I see a lot of these other animal YouTubers that have a bunch of animals rescued, like a Patreon or something like that. That'd be absolutely awesome. So what I'm trying to say here was this pig you're about to see was about to get by someone. Pew-pewed, we have to say on YouTube. You know, we'll get demonetized. I have created this super cool enclosure in the nick of time, and I'm about to show you all that right now. So strap in. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like. Let's get on into rescuing this pig and saving its life. Here we go. It's early in the morning, too early for me to be up, but I have to get this enclosure set up because she's arriving here at like 9 in the morning. So I've got to line the pallets up this way, move these rocks that way, and then once I get the pallets stood up, put rocks along the side and get to work. Bottom line is I got to build something like this, but instead of that cage, it's pallets. Load it up on pallets. First thing I had to do is throw them all into the enclosure. Watch out, piggy. The only way to move that from there to there was to literally use my back. That didn't feel good. Well, all the pallets are in the enclosure. All I believe we'll need are in here at least. Gotta make it to this fence. So all this. I'm here alone this morning, like usual, honestly. I need friends. So I'm not even gonna bother filming this. It's too much work to keep running back and forth, and I'm on a time scrunch. So here's the fence in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, the fence is completely done. These pigs are on this side, which is a little bit bigger since there's 2 of them. It's got the water bowl. I'm gonna have to get him his own water bowl. But I moved the orange house from over there, and both houses are kind of pinned next to each other over there in the back. Now I gotta do the rocks along the side, and that'll keep them extra sturdy, other than the wood that I've drilled together. But it don't look all that bad. Customization. I am absolutely dripping. Dripping in sweat. This is what it takes to rescue pigs. I wish the whole cow enclosure was just full of them. And I wouldn't have to split them if a lot of my pigs weren't so aggressive. Like, I don't have a lot of land. Like, if I was to just put them all on this property, they would figure out their own territories and there would be no issues. Similar to that pig farm I visited. In this case, they're small enclosures, so they get very dominant and mean, and then they fight and blood is involved, and it's just not a good thing. I've seen pig fights and it's not fun. All right, so it is a couple hours. As a matter of fact, it's the afternoon. This morning we did all this work. We created this enclosure. When she showed up with the pig, I didn't film it because it was absolute chaos. We had to actually tie the pig body like from the bottom up and actually walk it to the enclosure because it was so freaking pissed. It was mad. If you ever heard a pig scream, it's like no other. So yeah, it was just a hassle and I didn't even bother filming it. I apologize, but the pig's in the enclosure and that's all that matters. We have rescued this pig. It was going to be killed by its previous owner and I want to show you because he's a sweetheart. He really is an awesome pig and I think with just a little bit of care and showing that I'm not going to harm him, he's going to be awesome. Let's hop in. He already drained all his water and made mud pits. I'll show those clips in a little bit because I did film him rolling around the mud. Big old piggy. Buddy's living. He's feeling good. Hey, buddy. Hey. So I'm gonna have to work real slow. What kind of noises are those, my guy? I'm not gonna hurt you, buddy. I'm not gonna hurt you. Are you hungry? He's probably hungry. And he's definitely thirsty. You see the foam on his mouth? Hey, buddy. Look at that, I'm petting him already. Which is crazy, because if you saw him when he got out of that trailer, I'm the one that gave you the water, remember? I'm gonna become good friends with this pig, I promise you. He's a big boy, too. Hey, buddy. You know, you would have been dead. Just like a lot of the other animals on the farm. This is a rescue farm. You're talkative. You're very, very talkative, you know that? That's a camera. That's a camera, buddy. Oh my gosh. He is dope. He's just very scary because those tusks, he's got 2 of those things and they're sharp. I mean, no harm. Anyway, this is his enclosure. He's got all this to himself. It's a big old space. And then you got these guys that have all this now to themselves. And I even made them a little shaded area because that tree was like their shady spot. So I made this little spot here that they get shade. Their house is in that corner. Got some rocks I could still do something cool with. Willow, what up, Willow? And now you don't have your spot that you always escape. She likes to jump on that rock in the corner and get out. Where are you gonna get out now, huh? Right here? Probably, I just jinxed myself. She's over here. And obviously the hogs. Cuffaros, we have 21 pigs now. Not 20 anymore. We've gone up 21 pigs. The PC Pig Rescue Farm is growing. I just couldn't see those texts and say no. You know what I'm saying? I physically can't look at a picture like that and just be like, no, I don't want to rescue it. Let it get shot. How do you do that? I had to just wake up in the morning and make that. That's all. It's just, I don't know. Oh. And then these piggies. That's Lulu right there. That's Mama Pig. Oh. Boots! What's up, Boots? So like I mentioned, it's only been a couple hours since this pig has been at the farm. So I've actually got to go load up on some food for all the animals. Tomorrow morning, I'm actually going to pick up the camera, which will only be a couple seconds for you. And we'll see how Mr. Pig is doing. By the way, I don't have a name. We don't have a name. I literally don't even have a name for this pig. So go down in the comments down below. This is big. Drop a comment. What are we gonna name this pig? Big old male, by the way. You're very talkative, buddy. If you want to make his name something along the lines of being a talkative pig, there you go. And then whatever name is chosen amongst us all here by maybe the most liked comment or whatever we all agree on, I will have in one of these upcoming videos. So drop your dang comment. Let's name this pig, eh? Little buddy is about to go mudding. There he goes. Again. He's vibing. Let's just hope he doesn't try to get out of that fence right there because he's a lot bigger than the other pigs. Come on, Mia. Come on. Woo! Go swimming. All right, in they go. Mia left up there. Oh, there he goes. Oh. See you tomorrow. Oh, no, no. Oh, my gosh, dude. Pigs are like troublemakers, the biggest troublemakers ever. Oh my God, look. Aww. Okay, so that happened. I don't know how, but it happened. Well, my fence didn't work. I attempted on locking them out, but they broke it. Now the hogs are super, super, super aggressive. You can hear them growling, like literally. It must have just happened because you can see these two pigs are sniffing him. Everybody cross your fingers with me. These two pigs have attempted putting with the hogs before, weren't having it. Attempted putting them with my pigs, weren't having it. But I think it's my pigs that weren't having it, and maybe it was the hogs that weren't having it, because clearly they're not fighting. Some pigs could go together, and I think it's the hogs that are really firing him up, which is not good. Listen, buddy, relax, just chill. The hogs can't get you through the fence. He's doing the foaming thing, chomping down. Willow, I mean, these guys are chilling next to you. This might be a good thing. I mean, hey, it's only a bigger enclosure for you guys if you get along. But look at that. I mean, they're face to face. Look at that. They're face to face, and there's, hey, be nice. Be nice. He's a very gentle giant though. Like, he's very, very gentle, because he could destroy that pig if he wanted to. Hey, listen, this could be good. I thought this was gonna be really bad. When I walked out here and I saw that broken fence, I thought something was gonna be real bad. Something. Now the hogs are not having the new pig around town. They don't like him at all. Two don't look like they're too frustrated, and he definitely don't look like he cared too much. He's just chomping and foaming. So regardless, reinforcement is going down, and these pigs are now together. And there's no way I'm getting that big pig back into here other than teasing them with food. So I got an interesting morning ahead of me. If anything happens, I'll pick up the camera. If not, you'll see me in the morning. They're like best friends. It's crazy. Hey, what's going on? All the pigs, these three, are best friends. It is 3 days later, and Mr. Big Pig over here is best friends with Willow and our other pig. I actually left one little thing open so they can go in and out of both sides, but I'm gonna keep this up, put that pallet right back right there, and we'll still have two separate enclosures. God forbid I need to rescue another one, or who knows what can happen, you know? It all worked out. Gary, what's going on? Hey, buddy. Heard it here, folks. Subscribe. He's really telling you. If y'all enjoyed the video, please do drop a like. Different than my normal videos, but that's just something that popped up, and it's how the day went. So it's kind of crazy. We have a total of 21 pigs on the farm now. I'm very excited to announce that we have another one. And Cuffaros, I'm gonna see you again in the next video, and it's gonna be an absolute banger. Yet another pig lives another day. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Peace.